Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. This is super important to keep your data safe, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple account. Then just go to iCloud and enable iCloud backup. So then make sure that photos are saving and everything that you need is saved. So you can disable backing up over mobile data when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, and you can back up now by tapping it, and you will back up manually whenever you want. So if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thank you for watching.